In case of pressure refueling, fuel is pumped in at kilopascals. A 275, B 1000, C 100, D 180. The correct answer is 275. For performance calculations, airliner manufacturers use a density of jet fuel around A 2 kg L, B 0.2 kg L, C 8 kg L, D 0.8 kg L. The correct answer is 0.8 kg L. Jet A fuel ignites at temperatures at or above A 49 C, B 100 C, C 31 C, D 75 C. The correct answer is 49 C. What is the density of BP Avgas 80 at 15 C? A 6900 kg M3, B 69 kg M3, C 690 kg M3, D 6900 kg M3. The correct answer is 690 kg M3. Aviation gasoline is also referred to as A. Petrol, B. Diesel, C. Avgas, D. Kerosene. The correct answer is Avgas. Few single-engine aircraft use probes in the fuel tanks. A. Capacitive, B. Inductive, C. Resistive, D. Radiative. The correct answer is capacitive. Which of the following tanks are used by combat aircraft which need to discard them after use for performance reasons? A. Tip tank, B. Internal tank, C. Drop tank, D. Attack tank. The correct answer is drop tank. Which of the following is referred to as the fuel selector? A. Fuel control valve, B. Fuel pump, C. Fuel hose, D. Fuel tank. The correct answer is fuel control valve. In larger aircraft, fuel tanks are also present in the A. tail, B. fuselage, C. nose, D. rudder. The correct answer is fuselage. Aviation fuel is also called as A. engine fuel, B. jet fuel, C. gasoline, D. air fuel. The correct answer is jet fuel. What is the full form of LNG? A. liquefied natural gas, B. light natural gas, C. low natural gas, D. lightning natural gas. The correct answer is liquefied natural gas. Which of the following is the most important criterion in selecting an appropriate fuel to power an aircraft? A. cost, B. density, C. specific energy, D. efficiency. The correct answer is specific energy. Kerosene-based fuel has a higher flash point as compared to gasoline-based fuel. A. false, B. true, C. D. The correct answer is true. The Tupolev Tu-155 was designed to run on LNG. A. false, B. true, C. D. The correct answer is true. Underwing fueling is exclusively used for jet fuel. A. false, B. true, C. D. The correct answer is true.